Other than that, we also have an educational framework of the Philippine institution, such as the three department, the Department of Education, the Commission of Higher Education, and the Technical Education integration. When we talk about DepEd, we aligned it with the ICT subjects or ICT integrations and the digital citizenship, the proper digital citizenship as person that includes not only for kinder but also the grade 12. Next, the Commission on Higher Education, which is the digital competencies not only for pre-service teacher but to all baccalaureate courses. We are need to become a more competent in terms of digital way. Next is the TESDA or the technical education, which whereas the technology-based skills for workplace in readiness or preparedness in terms and uses its ICT integrations also or the technology based skills which is under or going under in the digital also which included in the digital literacy. So next, as we can see, that three um department groups associations is included the digital literacy or the digital world, whereas there uses the digital in more ethical and more responsive for the lifelong learners and understanding not only for the learners but also to teachers and not only for teachers but to all people. Okay, next, what is the role as a teacher in the digital literacy? The teachers as a digital facilitators model responsible and ethical technology use. It's also guided learners in evaluating online information, promotes digital safety and cybersecurity awareness. Next, as a teacher, we should be a digital literacy or literate and learner development that is support critical thinking and creativity, encourage collaborations and communications, and lastly, prepare learners, not only the learners, but also the teachers, the commissioners, the government itself for a lifelong learning. Kasi the lifelong learning is for everyone. And the digital literacy, being literate and digital is not only for the learners, not only for teachers, but also to all human beings. Okay. When we talk about digital literacy, it's not always about digital searching skills. We included the communication and collaboration because in the digital world, there are a lot of communication and collaboration, such as what we are using right now, the Google Meet. It has a communication, it has a collaboration. As a digital literate, you should be able to become more creative, not being bragging down every student or every people in the world. We can also what we call that we can also integrate or we can also be perform more or creatively performing more using the digital tools unlike the manually creativity tools. Okay, we also have the critical thinking that is not only included in the digital literacy but to all literacy. That's why we need to think, we need to analyze, and that's the purpose of literacy that's included in the digital world also. And also practical functional skills. So in conclusion, what should be the key points in the professional education? Digital literacy is essential in modern teaching, not only for teaching modern students, modern baccalaureate degree students, and modern people. Teachers play a vital role in shaping responsible digital citizen. As a citizen and as a digital citizen that's inside the different social medias, we should be able to become more responsive, not hateful, not bashing, but loving in the social world. Because we are securing, we are cleaning, or we are making our digital self more correctively. Because same goes by on how you protect your personal self. It should be also more protective when it comes to digital self. Why? Because digital can be more dangerous than you would able to know. That's why there has a lot of viruses, trojans, even the hacking. That's why we need to be learned, or we need to play, or we need to be shaped to become a responsible digital citizen, not using those unethical ways. And lastly, professional education ensures effective integrations of technology learning. When we talk about professional education, it's not only about being professional or in teacher, it's not also becoming a teacher of learning its education, it's also ensuring the integration of technology in learning, because in the near future, more modern people will be using or will be attached into the technology learning world.